Hello, once again, I'm brschultz. Thank you for joining me on the brschultz SP500 channel, where historical data determines the future. Why am I making a late night January 3rd S&P forecast? Well, it's to bring you the latest and greatest, my newest invention, the weekly swing trade model. I back tested it. It works really good. And so I wanted to show you how it is also projecting a bottom near the January 10th, 13th time frame, and how it's projecting a later bottom in markets. So thank you for joining me. If you sincerely enjoy my work and want to donate, feel free to use the PayPal link down below this video in the YouTube channel, or you can scan these QR codes. Thank you for joining me today. This is the weekly model. You can see up there in the green it says weekly, kind of overlapped by the 5-min algorithm tile. But essentially you have the same waves that you would in the daily model. Now what's really nice about the gold wave that I found that everyone hopes and kind of sweats when they take the daily data out and put the weekly data in, is the car going to handle the same? Is it going to is the data model going to perform the same, right? Is it going to be able to handle different terrain exactly the same as it would on the same program, the same software? And so interestingly enough, it works. I'm happy to say. And so we have a 1, 2, 3 in gold there on the gold wave going out to roughly end of the week of January 6th and early in the week of January 13th. So that's that January 10th, 13th time frame. So this is a much more macro view, obviously. But you have the 1, 2, 3 present. It's the same algorithm actually for the weekly data as the daily data. And then the green wave, as you can see with the blue 1, 2, 3, that has a teal line going up 1, 2, 3 out to the same point in time. So that's beautiful, like that. So it's projecting that the market bottom will occur right around that January 10th and 13th time frame. And then what's nice about this model is you can see that from the green wave, it's already projecting that the market will bottom in the very end of week March 17th, or maybe even early March 24th for the final bottom that's I'm calling out. So I'm really hoping for some really nice results with the new weekly upgrade. I'm really excited about this. As you can tell, if this model can understand where the weekly bottoms are going to be, that would be phenomenal. That would be mind-blowing, right? This would be the oh my goodness, it would be what I've dreamed and hoped for the last 10-15 years. So this could be the moment, right? The big moment. So where did I backtest this? I backtested it for the bottoms in early August and early September, and in late October, early November. It picked all those bottoms, so very good results. So again, it's saying that there's going to be a major bottom right around the January 10th, 13th time frame. But again, the macro low for this overall malaise period that started at the end of November, early December, is the bottom in markets in mid-late March, which the model's already picking out roughly the end of week March was at like 21st then. So if the 24th is a Monday, that'd be the 21st would be a Friday. So roughly March 21st or 24th is looking for the bottom in the markets for that macro bottom. So I thought you might really enjoy this. I'm going to start making this standard SOP, standard operating procedure for my predictions, but I think this is going to be amazing, right? Because you pair this up with a zigzag model, it's also predicting a bottom around the same time frame in March, and then then the macro peak in December of 2027. So like a 3-year run up. It's going to be pretty amazing. 2.5-year run up, 2.5 to 3-year run up in markets from the mid-late March low. But hopefully you are seeing phenomenal value now. I hope that this blows viewers away over time. I think hopefully this is something that's never been done before by market timers, and hopefully I'm producing a product that can't be repeated, can't be copied or mimicked but it's producing phenomenal market timing material and predictions. And obviously, yes, with weekly data, this would be astounding. This would be mind-blowing on a 5-minute level. Just amazing. So I hope that you are enjoy this as much as I enjoyed creating it, because I really think this is going to be life-changing pretty soon for the better. Okay, thank you so much. Have a good night, and I'll just throw the regular slides in if you want to peruse those real quick. If not, you can jump out. Thank you so much. So this kind of ties out with the weekly model. You have the 1, 2, 3 on the green wave. This is the original swing trade daily model. So it's picking the swing trade final bottom to be around January 10th or 13th. So taking the weekly down to the daily, and then you take it down to the 5-minute, right, to kind of keep going down. Eventually, that's kind of the idea. But anyways, you can see how the two work together, and essentially they're synced. And again, this model was also picking right around the March 21st, 24th bottom for markets for the major low with a zigzag, a 1, 2, 3 touch point, brschultzSP500 systematic way of timing markets with a zigzag. And then this is the macro peak for December of 2027. So in a nutshell, in under 10 minutes, maybe near 5 actually, you've got the complete rundown from the macro to the micro to the micro to the macro. All right, race fans, I'll catch you later. Bye. So hopefully you've enjoyed my show today. Warning, this is all forecast use only. Come here. You want to read this for me? What does that say? Forecast?
Forecast.
Use?
Use only.
Only. Right. And what's this say?
Warning.
Disclaimer.
Disclaimer. I am not
A licensed investment professional. That's Latin. So say caveat emptor. Seek professional advice prior to investing. Investing bears risk
of
financial
loss.
Very good. And so basically this is saying if you ever try to invest in stocks or anything else, you could lose money. Warning, warning, warning. And all my graphs are subject to change. And not all the results are not always the same. Yeah. Thank you for reading for me.
You're welcome.
And that's it for today. I'm B.R. Schultz. Until next time, take care.